was placed before the authority meeting, and a detailed presentation was given on Margao Odp as well as Ponda Odp, and all the members unanimously, authority unanimously approved both the Margao ODP and Ponda ODP, and directed the member secretary to submit to the Town and Country Planning Board and as well as government.
The ODP, when you see this, you hear of this word, we look ahead and we are faced with one critical question that needs to be answered while formulating this plan. What do we want our city to be over the next 10 years and beyond, and what kind of city do we want our children to inherit from us? Now, ODP is a roadmap that will preserve and enhance Fatorda, Margao and Ponda's role as a formative city in Goa. Most importantly, the plan ensures that sufficient land is available, especially for critical needs like housing, schools and job centers. Now we have 6-point vision program for this. One is to maintain the city identity, to improve economy, housing, transport, education and recreation and public spaces. 5-meter buffer zone provided for Nala from Ponda bus stand to Panjim Margao bypass on both sides, and road width reduced from 20 meters to 15 meters. The South District Hospital Ponda has been earmarked as commercial increased to enable buildable area to enable enhancement and augmentation of medical facilities like blood bank. Bus stand from parking to commercial to provide trade and employment. Ponda municipality's proposal for multi-level car parking, jogging track, outdoor exhibition area, club building, football ground. Biodiversity park has been proposed with the intent that it could include features like butterfly park, etc.